Hello everybody, welcome back to Young Bull Finance. Today I'm going to be talking about why I don't invest in Tesla. So my first point is I'm a big fan of Tesla as a company and Elon Musk is one of my heroes. However, I just don't necessarily recommend investing in them, especially if you're a new investor. Elon Musk even tweeted out that he thinks the price of Tesla stock is too high. So on YouTube here, there's a lot of people that make Tesla videos and also kind of a lot of FOMO videos on don't miss the hype, don't miss the stock price rise. Tesla's going to the moon and I'm buying in right now. And what's kind of dangerous about that is a lot of these people on YouTube aren't necessarily knowing what they're talking about with this. And Tesla is a very, very risky company to invest in right now. A lot of people believe they're overvalued. And I don't really necessarily disagree with you can do whatever you want with your portfolio. If you just want to solely invest in Tesla stock, that's fine. And to a certain extent, you have a right to share that on YouTube, but you just got to be very careful with how you're dealing with new investors. A lot of people on YouTube are new investors. Telling them to buy Tesla stock right off the bat is kind of a risky thing to do for them, especially when they don't know what they're doing. I'll give you a few reasons why I don't invest in Tesla. This is going to be kind of a different video compared to all the Tesla hype videos out there that people make and kind of mislead. Personally, I like to invest in the long term. So if you're a new investor, you only realize gains from companies that don't pay dividends by selling. I like to invest in long term. I like to buy my companies and hold on to them forever as long as they're continuing to generate me money. That's really not an option with Tesla right now because currently they're in the growth period of their business and they probably will be for a very long time. So you could hold on to Tesla for 10 years and not really profit until you sell. So like I said earlier, they're a growth company. They're not paying dividends. Basically, to say you invested in Tesla in 2015 here and you kind of held on through the whole way, and 2018 it rise, but you're like, oh, it's going to rise more, and then boom, 2019 happens, the price drops, it's been 4 years and you haven't realized any value from this. Now you can say, okay, but if you wait till February 21st, 2020 to sell, you'd make a ton of money. However, hindsight's 2020. At this point in the world right here of 2019, you don't know what's going to go on with Tesla stock. It's very dangerous, and you also have to do a lot of work, a lot of research to make money off this. Also, personally, I like to own my companies and have ownership of them. The only way to realize value from Tesla is to sell. What are you going to do once you sell? So you bought a company 5 years ago, and then now it's worth a lot, and you're going to sell it to make money? I mean, that just doesn't make a whole lot of sense to me. And what are you going to do with that money? Are you going to reinvest? Now are you going to reinvest it into dividend companies? Or are you going to buy more growth stocks and just try to make more money that way? I mean, you could potentially lose all your money with a company like this. I mean, that goes with saying for any stock. I like to invest long-term dividend companies that grow their dividends, that are relatively safe with a little bit of risk here and there. Tesla has a lot of hype around it as a company, and just by that alone, it attracts new investors. People on YouTube are kind of profiting on making a new Tesla video every day, hyping it up and trying to sell it to people. I personally just don't think that's right. I'm not really calling anybody out necessarily here. And like I said, if you're a Tesla channel, that's fine. This video is just to make sure that information is in check, that if you're a new investor, Tesla can be very dangerous. You have to sell to realize value, and if you're new, I would recommend in dividend growth income and holding your companies long term or not having to sell to realize value. That's the video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Did you like what I had to say? Did you dislike it? Comment down below. What do you think of Tesla? Are you buying Tesla? Are you selling Tesla? Do you think it's a stupid thing to do this, or do you think Tesla's going to be $1 million by next year? That's the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.